Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGNOU DNHE online classes. Myself Dr. Ayushi. Today we will discuss how you should write an exam in order to score good marks and some general instructions regarding exam. First of all, you need to carry your admit card or hall ticket and ID card along with you to the exam center. And mobile phones are not allowed in exam hall. And try to reach at least 15 minutes earlier to the center. You will get your answer sheet before the exam starts. So have a look at answer sheet. See that it is in proper order and pages are not torn out or missing. Then feed your details correctly and carefully and check your details twice. And you have time to draw margins on each page. If you reach exam center early, you can do all these without any hurry. When you will get your question paper, read carefully all the instructions. You will get 3 hours time to write a paper of 100 marks. In the instructions, you will find which question is compulsory. Decide on which questions you know well and can write efficiently. You have to attempt only 5 questions in all. Use only blue and black pens. Black for writing headings and blue for the answers. Time management is very important. So, how will you manage time? You can take half hour for each question, which will count for total of 2.5 hours. The remaining half hour will be lost in reading question paper and other formalities like signing an attendance sheet, asking for extra sheets, writing your details on extra sheet and drawing margins. So, try to complete one answer in half an hour. Writing. Presentation should be neat and clean and your handwriting should be readable. Because if your presentation is good, the examiner will also enjoy the checking and will give you good marks. Draw a line after completing an answer. This will demarcate that the answer is completed and at least leave 4 lines in between each question. One important point I would like to suggest that do not write anything in margins, not even the question number. Because margin is the space provided to write the marks obtained in that question. Do not waste time in thinking too much. Papers are usually lengthy. If you want an extra sheet, they will provide you, so don't worry about that. Make sure that the answer sheet looks attractive. Make flow charts, diagrams, which will show that you really studied hard and you know that a lot about that topic. These will increase your marks, but this does not mean that you will use a lot of colorful pens. Use only blue and black color pens. For definition type question, the limit will be mentioned in the question itself. It is usually 2 to 3 sentences. So don't write a page length definition. Follow the instructions. For fill in the blanks, write only the answer in the answer sheet. Don't waste time in copying the whole sentence. For match the column, write correct answer in front of the question. This is the question paper. You will see instructions on the top. Then first question is match the column. You have to write column A as it is and then in front of it write the correct answer from the column B. Here, look, I have left the margin blank. I wrote answer 1 on the top and that too in a box, which is distinctly visible. Then write the heading, match the column, and after that start writing your answer. Follow the same pattern for the other answers too. For example, in the question of functions of food, make a diagram and write the names of the function and then start explaining each of them. Descriptive question. For descriptive questions, write according to marks. Question will be divided into parts and marks will be mentioned along with it. So write according to the marks distribution. For example, in 2 marks question, write one paragraph of 10 to 15 lines or more. For 3 marks, 15 to 20 lines or more. And for 5 marks, 1 to 2 pages would be enough. And for 8 marks, you have to write a little bit more, like 2 to 3 pages or more. You have to decide how much matter does the question wants and then write according to it. You will get more marks if you write descriptive question in points format, and along with it explain these points in about 5 to 10 lines or more according to the marks. Write only correct information, because evaluation is done a little bit strictly, and yes, they read all the answers. So don't waste your time in writing stories. Okay, so don't try to write unnecessary points which are not asked. This will only prove to be a waste of time. In descriptive questions, write as much as you can, but write only relevant answers related to the question. It is only the quality matters and not the quantity. But also remember that time management is also important. Short notes question. Short notes are scoring. You can easily score 5 to 4 marks in each one. If you know any 4 of them and can write very efficiently, you should attempt short notes question. If you score even 4 marks in each of them, this will make a total of 16 out of 20, which is difficult to score in a descriptive question. But make sure you know 4 of them very well and can write 2 to 2.5 pages each. At last, one tip for those who don't have good handwriting. You should leave a white space between words so that it doesn't look messy and examiner can read it. So this was all about exam writing tips. Follow these simple tips and score good marks. And all the best for the exams.